Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla is going up 6.25%. This is a good reaction. I told you guys yesterday that Tesla's reaction was good, but not good enough. Today's reaction is good enough and thanks to Fed, it seems it is trying to reverse the trend. Let's talk about that and much more in this video. Just remember, my dear friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you're new around here, subscribe because I'm here every single day to update you guys on Tesla and on other stocks. Alright, so before we talk about Tesla, it is important to see how this reversal is affecting the markets. Of course, it is not a meaningful, amazing reversal right now, but I like the fact the S&P just retested the 3730, this black line down here, which was this support level from January 2021. We hit this support level and right now today we see a very good reaction. It is a very good, strong, bullish candlestick closing above the 3810, this upper black line. I'm gonna change the color to not confuse anyone. This purple line over here. Okay, we are closing above this purple line, 3810. This is very good. It seems the S&P did a false breakout from this support level and right now we are reacting. In the 1 hour chart, we see the beginning of a bull trend. It is trying to do higher highs, higher lows. We can use the path tool to see this movement clearly over here, okay? The pivot point was 3794 over here, roughly, this purple line. Since we broke the previous high, okay, Tesla is the S&P is engaging in a bull trend right now. This is quite good. This is meaningful, okay. Now, since we are doing higher highs, higher lows in the 1 hour chart, a bullish candlestick pattern in the daily chart, we may just expect that the S&P will try to fill these gaps over here, okay. We have two gaps. And in my humble opinion, we are going to fill these gaps in the next bullish leg over here, meaning the S&P could retest again easily the 4K before we find another resistance, because the 4K along with the 21 EMA is a resistance area and we are still in a bear trend. Okay, we could go up to the 4K and we would still be in a bear trend, so keep that in mind. But if we break the 4K, if we do another bullish structure in the daily chart, for instance, then okay, maybe we're gonna reverse in the midterm as well and seek higher levels like the 4300 or the 4500s over here. But in the short term, I do expect some bullish momentum over here, at least to fill these gaps. The Nasdaq index has a similar reading. We are almost filling the first gap today, okay? We are almost filling, but I do believe we're gonna fill both gaps, meaning the Nasdaq is about to retest 11.7K. And just like the S&P, this is not a bullish reversal in the midterm, in the daily chart, but we can expect some bull run in the short term. This pattern is very good. What the Nasdaq index must not do right now in order to frustrate this reading: lose the 21 EMA in the 1 hour chart, and the S&P must not lose. I think that 21 EMA is quite rushed. It is too soon to say that, but I would not like to see it losing today's low again. Okay, if it loses today's low, I believe we are gonna completely frustrate this short-term bullish thesis. Okay, now how this is going to affect Tesla? Since in the short term we see a bull trend on the indices and on Tesla as well, right now we are doing higher highs, higher lows. What's more, Tesla broke our key point at $680, this blue line over here, which I was talking to you guys. Guys, this is the most important key point, okay? If we break this point, amazing. Well, it broke this point today. And it did trigger a pivot point. It found a resistance at this price level yesterday. We dropped it and we broke the previous high doing a higher bottom. So yes, it is a bull trend right now in the short term in the 1 hour chart. In addition to all of this, if you have some imagination, you may see this as an inverted head and shoulders, right? And right now, we just hit its technical target, which was the previous resistance level. We fill it, the last gap over here. We hit the resistance around 700, which is our new most important resistance level to break, because the 700s was a resistance level over here on June 10, was a support level on June 7, and a support level multiple times on June 3 over here, and was again a support level on May 26. So this black line is the new most important resistance level for Tesla to break right now. Any pullback, as long as we don't lose the $680 along with the 21 EMA, is going to be a natural pullback and maybe even an opportunity to buy. If we lose both support levels, our bullish thesis for the short term is going to be frustrated, and yes, I believe Tesla is going to retest again easily the $620. Right now, it is important to say that, okay, we are in a bull trend in the 1 hour chart. We are doing higher highs, higher lows above the 21 EMA, and I gave to you guys the most important key points to watch right now on Tesla, because if we lose this support level, it is going to frustrate our bullish thesis just like it did over here, okay? Because over here, it also found a support level, it did higher highs, higher lows, trading above the EMA, and then the moment it lost the EMA, it crashed, okay? So this is what we must not see over here right now from here, okay? So these are the most important key points. But despite the fact we are in a bull trend in the 1 hour chart, we are still in a bear trend in the daily chart. And this is very problematic because, as far as I know, Tesla could just retest its EMA just like it did over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, and find a resistance level and do a top level over here just to drop again. Okay, so we gotta be extremely careful with this 21 EMA in the daily chart. We are still bearish over here, and but as long as we don't lose the 680s, I believe the bear trend will reverse thanks to the Fed today, which is giving some interesting bullish patterns right now. We just must not lose the key points I'm describing to you guys in this analysis, because this is going to completely reverse the trend in the short term and ruin our bullish thesis. But if the indices, if the S&P, if the Nasdaq, they're all about to fill their gaps, which is a very likely scenario, this means that the Nasdaq will probably go up around 5%. If Tesla's beta is around 2 times, let's say that it could easily go up roughly 10%. So Tesla from here could easily retest the 770s again, or around this previous resistance level over here. It's a quite plausible target to aim from here. I think this scenario is quite interesting to work right now, but I know that we have some limitations, we have some problems, and it is still a risky situation, but I do believe that this is a very good sign for Tesla. Let's just keep your eyes open at the most important support levels, $680. Let's watch the indices from here because they're going to dictate how Tesla is going to perform next. And are you still watching this video and you're not my subscriber yet? Seriously? Please, my dear friend, subscribe at this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will keep you guys updated every single day, so see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Farewell.